Can you even see this? Probably not. Oh wow, no, that's incredibly blurry. It's some kind of little green bug. Oh, it's tiny and precious and has wings, the gift of flight, whatever it is. Oh, little bug. Oh, oh, ee, oh, there it goes. It flew away somewhere. We may never see it again. Or maybe we will, who knows. I sure as heck don't. Oh look, it's Show!